I've had a lot of wigs in my life, but this one just calls to my soul. From the style to the curls to the way it makes me glow, this one is for me. Not only is it full, beautiful, and flawless, it also only takes minutes to achieve this look. Let's get into it. Let's get into the install. This one is from Beautyforever. This is how it comes, y'all. It comes out of the packet looking beautiful. Let's take the little mesh off so you can really see what I'm talking about. It has the bounce, the shine, and the beautiful curls that makes you feel sexy. But anyway, this is what it looks like right out of the packaging. It is already giving shine and bounce, okay? Another great thing about this wig is the fact that you don't really have to do much to it. And you'll see what I mean here. All right, this is how the wig comes. As you can see, it's already cut and styled. But let's get into the details. Look at that shine. And you can see the lace has already been cut, but it has that jagged cut to where it doesn't look fake when you put it on. It also has all of the little details that are essential for your unit. So it has the elastic band, it has the comb in the back, and it also has the original band that comes with your wig. So security is not going to be something to worry about. But before we put this baby on, let's go ahead and blend it to our scalp. I always use my foundation. This is the easiest way I've found to do it without having to bleach it or tint it. Especially for you newbies, this is perfect for you. Again, you don't have to cut, style, plug, bleach, nothing. This is what it looks like with the foundation on. Oh my goodness, it already matches my skin so well. And the great thing I like about this hair is the hairline. The hairline does not look wiggy. It literally looks like it's grown out of your scalp with flawless baby hair. You know how wigs come with very full front and it looks like a wig? This one does not. And the best part about this is you can wear this as a glueless wig. It comes as a glueless wig, which means you take it out of the package, put it on, style it however you want, and go. You don't have to do any ball cap method, gluing it down, Gorilla Glue, whatever glues people are using today. You don't have to do any of that. All you do is take it out of the packet, put it on, finger comb it like I'm doing here. You can also use mousse or any kind of leave-in conditioner to either define the curls, or you can use your fingers or a brush to make the curls as big as you want. This is probably the easiest, most quickest install I'll ever do on this channel. Look how full the hair is. It's giving body, y'all. It's giving body yaddy. So if I took a brush or a comb and comb this down, it'll get even bigger. I think this is a great vacation wig or an everyday wig. An everyday wig is a wig that you just put on and go, but you still look pretty and put together. An everyday wig is not a wig that you have to install, glue down, gel the front, do the frontals, paint, do none of that. A true everyday wig is something that you can just grab, put on, leave the house, and still look like you put so much effort into it. And that is what I like about this wig. This is about to be my grab and go, okay? My grab and go wig. I love the fullness of it. I love the shine. I love the curl pattern. It is so beautiful. I even love the length. Now you can choose the length you want. You can do longer or shorter, but this is the length I got and it's perfect for my face shape and my body type, I guess. I'm going to leave all of the details down below, so don't you worry about that. If you're wondering about the style, the color, the curl pattern, or the name of the hair, don't worry about that. Check out the description box before you leave the video. All of the details will be there. I'll also have a special discount code for my viewers only, so check that out as well. Anyway, back to the hair. You can wear this in many different ways. You can wear this as a updo, like a messy bun where you leave some of the sides down and just wear it up. You can also sew this down to your head. Let's say you're going for a vacation, you can sew it down so that you can do some high ponytails or some high buns. You can also, as I said before, use some leave-in conditioner or mousse or just water. I like to use water because I find that when I put a lot of product in my hair, it ends up building up and the wig does not look or feel the same. So water is the best way to go. This is giving simple, it's giving beautiful, it's also giving very sexy. And if you have that summer vacation, this is perfect. It's giving wet and wavy. It's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? Once again, I'm going to leave all of the details down in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And also let me know how you will style this wig. Thank you once again to Beautyforever for sponsoring today's video. And thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!